Good morning, lovely ladies. Hope you are having just a terrific Tuesday, a day full of transformation, of health, and just, oh my goodness, amazingness. So let's dive into, it's a new month, it's a new us, right? So I want to first talk about a couple of things. What if we encouraged ourselves and loved ourselves to not wait, right, for the new year to start really targeting our health pillars? So before I even go into Siberian fir and white grapefruit, let's talk about how this month is super fun, and it's a super easy way for us to be able to bring more family and friends on this journey with us, right? Had to clear my throat. Because who doesn't love having like-minded people in the same tribe together, right? Learning and growing together. So doTERRA has made this super easy for us this month. All right, so when someone starts, and you guys know I don't normally talk about this stuff, but this is super important because, we are here to learn and grow and to be able to share and to be able to, encourage others to really love a healthy, natural lifestyle, right? So doTERRA has made it super easy for us that when someone starts this month with a 100 PV order, which is any of the kits, all right, as simple as the Family Essentials kit, which is a 100 PV order. The Aroma Diffused kit is 110 PV order usually. So any of the kits are 100 PV or greater, right? So they're gonna earn 50 points. They will see those points show up in their account on or after December 15th. That's super powerful. So why am I sharing this with y'all? Because after all, you're already members, right? You're already here. You're already getting the coaching, getting the learning, getting all that stuff, right? I'm sharing this with you because you know my commitment. You know my dedication to truly educate and coach you with your health, right? I'm committed to supporting you with your pillars of health, helping you create that 90 days of wellness plan to follow up with you to ensure success, to be your accountability with your goals. Not all advocates do this. Not all advocates do the coaching and the educating, right? So what I want to know from you is, do you want your friends and family to just be sold an oil or a product, or do you hope that they can learn and be nurtured with their health goals by someone who truly cares? All right, so if you're saying yes to all of the above, what does it hurt to connect us to each other, right? To help them know that when they meet with me or talk to me for the first time, it's just a talk, that if they like what they hear, if they really see the value in what I'm going to provide for them with their oils journey, then that's great. But if not, it's no biggie. We had a great tea. We had a great conversation. We got to connect, and that's more important. So now, if you're thinking, Kelly, I might want to roll them myself to get them started, then that's great too. Let's hop on a call and talk about the business side. Let's talk about how you too can coach and educate others with their oils, right? But if you don't want to do that, then that's okay. Bring them to me, refer them to me. I promise to care for them just as I care for you. I think I thrive on referrals, right? It's a win-win for all of us. You get to have people in your tribe, in this oils community that you already know, like, and trust, and that you love, and you want to be able to see them thrive. And you already know, like, and trust me, so you know that they're going to be taken care of. So I don't want you to think, though, that it would be, that it would not be fair, right? It's not fair for them to receive these extra 50 PV points and you receive nothing because you've already started this journey, right? So something I want to do is I will be gifting you with something to express how grateful I am to you for trusting me with your friends and your family to come along this amazing lifestyle journey. So reach out to me if you have any questions, or post below. But most of all, let's start growing our wonderful family here with more like-minded women ready to empower their lives, to empower their families' lives, and to empower all of those around them to be able to create that mind, body, soul shift in their health. So finally, I want you to think about how when you took that leap to say you were worth it, your health was important to you. Do you know someone that you think and that you know could really feel that same way with a little encouragement? Okay, so now let's talk about white grapefruit, which is the free oil of the month with 125 PV order, right, on or before the 15th, and Siberian fir, which is 10% off this month. So white grapefruit, super different, but not too different. So even though it's a little bit different in color than our favorite pink grapefruit, it's slightly more tart. I have not received mine yet. I'm like chomping on the bit. I should be receiving it tomorrow. Waited a little bit longer than usual to place my order. But let's think about the emotional components of the traditional grapefruit. All right, so emotionally, it assists us to listen to our true physical needs and impulses, right? So it's going to address negative issues like body shame, obsession with food or dieting, eating issues, distorted self-image, feeling like we need to hide. And it's going to help bring about positive properties of being respectful of our physical needs, being respectful of our body's acceptance, nourishing us, having that healthy relationship with food. All right, so some of the really great uses for white grapefruit is that it helps bring about a positive and confident environment, right? It prepares us for the day, and in the afternoon it can give us that little extra boost in energy. Its main chemical constituent is high in cleansing and purifying. All right, so not only is it great for cleansing the kitchen, cleansing our skin, it's great for cleansing our digestive system and cleansing our mind from all that chatter about not believing that we are, beautiful and wonderfully made, right? Now, let's look at Siberian fir. Siberian fir's primary benefit is that it helps balance emotions and soothes anxious feelings. We can diffuse it. Remember, the white grapefruit, we can definitely take it internally. We can use it for targeted health, freshen water, things like that, right? To make water just a little bit more fun, put it in our smoothies and all that stuff. Siberian fir is not an internal use oil. It is just for diffusing or topical use. So we can use it for soothing our anxious feelings, our emotions, create a relaxing environment. Also really great for massage. So when we're diffusing it, it helps us with breathing, it helps us with calming our emotions, providing grounding effects. We can, when we're using it for our muscles, it can be really soothing to kind of nourish those muscles after a really strenuous workout. When we're working through really difficult circumstances at home or at work or school, diffusing Siberian fir can really help reduce that stress. And then it can also soothe minor skin irritations and junk like that. This is the oil of aging in perspective. So when we are feeling things like grief, loss, despairing, sad, regretful, fretting, pining, looking at the past and not being able to let go of the past, right? Some of the really positive properties to Siberian fir is that we can feel and we can embrace being comforted. We can be open to forgiveness, finding our perspective, being honest and having wisdom, living in the present, feeling that optimistic aspect of life, feeling adaptable and peaceful. So it helps ease difficult transitions by encouraging us to focus on finding meaning and purpose with each new chapter, right? So we're entering into a new chapter with holidays and all that stuff, right? So remembering that sometimes family can feel kind of overwhelming as we enter into Thanksgiving and Advent and Christmas and New Year's and all that stuff. And so let's take a moment to not, think about the past on how family has treated us or family has acted or how even we acted with family. But let's focus on the present, and let's focus on cleansing our thoughts with white grapefruit and really embracing and living in the moment and being optimistic about the moment. So some really cool hacks is you can take your Siberian fir, put a drop in your hand. Mine's almost out. Can't wait till I get my other one in. And then I'm going to use grapefruit since I don't have white grapefruit yet. I'm going to rub it, palm diffuse it. On the back of the neck. You can even put it on the belly, because remember, that helps activate our mind, because our gut is our second brain, or in some cultures, our first brain. Put it right up into our stem cell. All right, even cleanse our lymphatic system to get it going, to help cleanse any negativity, pulse points. And just feel really grounded and cleansed when we approach any of the holiday stress that is going to be coming up. All right, you guys. Oh, one final reminder to everyone here that's in the Georgetown area. I'll be having the 2-day event on Thursday and Friday this week. Each day is going to be from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. That's a come and go healthy happy hour with mocktails and crafted wine with Darcy, the Itobi scan, a 5-minute wellness overview, things like that. And then from 5 to 7 is going to be specific workshops. So Thursdays is going to be focusing on our pillars of health, getting back to the basics with the top 10 oils, 80% of how they approach 80% of our health and wellness. And then Friday is going to be about the emotions and the holidays, taking a deep dive into the 6 emotion oils. So the 3 to 5 time is set specifically for those who can't come for the workshop, but want to be able to have still a quick overview, a scan, and talk a little bit. So come, and they, whether you come 3 to 5, whether you come 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, come for whenever you can. If you want to come for the whole entire time, hang out with Darcy, myself, and Tiffany, and just be able to, have conversation about oils and health before we dive deep into the topic. Please do. But if you can only come for a little snippet here and there, then that's okay too. Come, because I want you to bring someone new, someone who has never experienced oils or doesn't have an oils coach, an oils guide, someone that you feel that would really benefit from learning a little bit more about how essential oils can support their health. All right, it's a great chance for them to experience the oils and to learn what I'm going to do and all the extras that I do, all the value that I provide for you and for them. All right, so I want you, lovely ladies, to have an amazing day. Make sure and comment below the challenge that I posted up in this write-up. And you guys have a beautiful, blessed day. Reach out. Let me know if there's anything I can do to support you. All right, you take care. God bless.